Well, $81 later, I bought a new battery for my quad because the other one died and it wasn't cranking over. Got it from Sears. It's an OEM. I guess it matches OEM for the Suzuki Quad Sport. And as you can see, it's a Diehard Gold, top of the line right there. And guess what else? I have a car version of it, except this is Power Sports. And that one lasted, I think, 7 years in a car. So I'm gonna see how long this one lasts. It might actually be worth the money. Let's go install it. I just gotta charge it up for 3 hours. Let's see what we can do. And I'll also crank it while I'm at it. Okay. Let me just kind of get the screw on there. Okay, one down. Alright, now it's on. So let's see here. Headlights shining nice and bright. Low, high, low, high. Alright, now let's crank it. Oops. Not a proper connection here. Just a sec. God, this is not screwed in. Let's try this again. Look at the screwdriver. Let's get this in here. Okay, turn on one. Good, let's just work on the next. Okay. Let's try cranking it here. Nice, good start. And there you go. There's your Diehard battery, and it works great. Might be worth $800. Who knows? Alright, just want to BMX up.